Hey, babe. Did you see your friends are here?
On her face.
Don't be posting that without her approval.
Oh.
Hi. Do you feel okay?
Your mouth. Like permanently smile.
I've never seen you smile so big. Do you recognize your friends here? Deegan's here. CG. Allie's here. Caitlin's here. Look at Maggie. You okay? Yeah. Does it hurt?
What did she say? Who? What?
What, babes? Water? Not yet. But you know what? Don't talk. I know. Don't talk. We're going to get you a shake on the way home, okay? You don't like that? Okay.
Her eyes are scary. Her eyes are so scary.
What did you say? Okay, I'm going to get water in a few minutes, okay? What? You're done? Yeah.
No.
You didn't get what?
She didn't know. She didn't even know.
No, I'm sorry.
Like she's like
You didn't know?
I'm just wet.
Okay. It's okay.
There's a fellow.
what?
What?
There's a
A
pillow.
horse.
You saw a car?
Yeah. Where is it?
And drove by.
It drove by. Look at me. What did you see? You saw a car?
Well, there's a road there.
Yeah, it just drove by because that's a road. Look at me.
What is she doing? What are you looking at?
No.
Yeah, it's 99
Are you
degrees
still
out and
videotaping?
snowing.
Oh, this is
great.
Oh my God. Kara? Hi. Don't talk so much.
I just want water.
I know. I'm asking.
I'm who?
I know.
Who are you?
What?
Who?
Oh, I asked the nurse.
This is the same thing. How did I even get in here?
Oh my God.
This is why you don't do drugs, girls. Hey, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay. Just checking. You'd tell me, right? Look at what they brought you.
What did that say?
Nothing.
It says to your friend, from your friends.
What?
Yeah, from them.
We bought it
Look
for
at
you.
they're right here.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Look at who's this?
yeah.
What was it?
I don't know.
Maggie.
Why?
Maggie.
Why is she here?
Oh, because you had surgery. She brought your friends in to see you.
Oh. I need some water.
Okay, I'm gonna get you some water. Okay, let's put the ice.
Right now.
I will ask, okay? You have to. Remember she told you before?
No.
Okay.
You're gonna look like
Only-
a chipmunk like I did.
You're not gonna get water unless you put this here. That's what they said.
It's hot.
Okay.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, she's starting to come out. I think